very clear from the social science that children raised by a mother and a father do better on a whole host of factors. And also I was really frankly disturbed by how much silencing and intimidation there is practiced in the culture against people who have traditional views of marriage. We don't need the Supreme Court to come in and cut the conversation short, and so we're asking the Supreme Court to respect the votes of both sides, but to allow us to have this conversation. Marriage is so important that it deserves to be decided by the people, not by unelected judges.
What do we want?
Equality!
When do we want it?
Now!
What do we want?
Equality!
When do we want it?
Now!
As other countries have done so, I'd like to see the United States as a nation follow. I know it's there in the States, with certain states' decisions, but it needs to be national and federal.
It's a great day to be on the right side of history. America is way behind other industrialized nations in gay rights. It's about time we turn the page.
We were married in Los Angeles, in our backyard, one of the happiest days of our lives. I believe in traditional marriage also, but I just don't see how traditional marriage has any effect on our relationship. And I think that it's a sad statement of your marriage if you think my marriage affects yours. If you have a traditional marriage, a man and a woman, I'm happy for you, and I hope you're equally happy for me, because it's just two people joining together and saying we're going to commit our lives to each other, and we're going to make it through the world together, and we're going to make the best possible family that we can, and that's exactly what Natasha and I have done.